Before we begin, make sure you watch this story all the way to the end. This is not just a story, it is about real life and real dreams. Many people, even world billionaires, became successful because they followed their hearts. If you want to understand why listening to your heart can change your life, stay till the end. And if you do, comment, "I'm inspired." Once upon a time, there was a teenage boy named Henry. He lived in a small rural place with his father. Henry's father trained horses to earn money. Because of this work, they moved often from one place to another. Henry changed schools many times. Each time Henry moved, he became the new student again. He did not have many friends. Sometimes he felt alone. But Henry had something special inside him. He had a dream. Henry loved horses very much. He loved how they ran fast and free. He loved how they trusted people. Whenever Henry was around horses, he felt happy. He felt strong and peaceful. While other children dreamed of easy jobs, Henry dreamed of owning his own horse ranch. One day at school, the teacher gave the class an assignment. He asked them to write about what they wanted to be in the future. Henry knew exactly what to write. At home, he wrote 7 full pages. He drew pictures of land, stables, and places for horses. This was not just homework. This was Henry's dream on paper. When the teacher returned the papers, Henry saw a big red F on his work. After class, Henry asked why he failed. The teacher said his dream was unrealistic. He said Henry had no money. He said it was not possible. His words stayed in Henry's heart. The teacher told Henry to rewrite the paper to get a better grade. That night, Henry spoke to his father. He asked him what he should do. His father said this was Henry's life. He told Henry to choose for himself. Henry thought about fear. He thought about giving up. Then Henry listened to his heart. The next day, Henry returned to school. He gave the teacher the same paper. He told him he could keep the F, but he would keep his dream. Years later, Henry's dream came true. He owned a horse ranch in the countryside. Horses ran freely across the land. Henry finally lived the life he dreamed of. Inside his home, above the fireplace, hung the same paper with the red F. This story teaches us something important. People may doubt you. People may say your dream is impossible. But your heart knows the way. Follow your heart. Never let go of your dream. If this story inspired you, hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video.